Have you ever wondered why control flow is crucial in C programming language? It's the conductor of our coding symphony, deciding the order in which our program's instructions, statements, or functions are performed. Without it, we'd have a random cacophony instead of a harmonious melody. Control flow is the vital organ that breathes life into our code, making it dynamic, interactive, and effective. It's like the director of a movie guiding the scenes to tell a compelling story. So, control flow is the backbone that structures the execution of instructions in C language. Now grasp the concept of control flow in C language. Control flow, in essence, is the order in which the instructions or statements are executed in a program. It's like the roadmap that guides your program's journey from start to finish. In C language, this roadmap is primarily guided by three types of control flow structures: sequence, selection, and loop. Let's start with sequence. This is the most straightforward type of control flow and is the default way your program operates. Instructions are executed one after the other in the order they appear in the code. It's like reading a book from left to right, top to bottom. You start at the beginning and move sequentially to the end. Next, we have selection. This is where things get interesting. Selection structures like if-else, and switch allow your program to make decisions. Think of selection as a crossroads. Based on certain conditions, your program can decide which path to take, allowing it to execute different instructions. Lastly, there's the loop. Loop structures like for, while, and do while allow your program to repeat certain instructions until a specified condition is met. It's like a circular track where your program keeps running laps until it's done. With sequence, selection, and loop, you can control how your program flows and what instructions it executes. Control flow structures are the fundamental building blocks that give your C programs their logic and functionality. Let's recap what we've learned about control flow in C language. Control flow is the backbone of your program. It's the roadmap that guides the execution of your instructions. Without it, your code would be a chaotic jumble, running amok without a clear direction. Now, there are three types of control flow: sequence, selection, and loop. The sequence is the simplest. The instructions are executed in the order they appear. Selection, on the other hand, adds a dash of decision-making. Here, instructions are executed based on certain conditions. Think of it as a crossroads, where the path taken depends on the conditions met. Then we have loops, the epitome of repetition. Loops allow instructions to be executed repeatedly until a certain condition is met. It's like a merry-go-round that keeps spinning until it's time to stop. These three forms of control flow work in harmony to create a dynamic, interactive program. So, mastering control flow is key to becoming proficient in C language. It's the conductor that orchestrates your program's performance.